Well, here we are at Kiwanis Park on the 192 Causeway. It's called Geiger Point. This particular park is inside the Melbourne airport airspace, but it's easy to get the Lance approval, and with Lance approval you have 400 feet altitude limit here, which is what we're used to. So I think that not so much for FPV, but for a group of camera drone guys that want to come out here and fly their drones out at this beautiful place. It isn't too windy, which is something you can generally count on close to the water wherever you are. But I think for a sunrise little excursion or just a nice little time of flying, there's plenty of places out here to launch your drone from. Adequate parking. The only thing you have to be careful of is you don't miss the turnoff coming from the mainland, or you got to go all the way over the bridge to the beach and find a place to turn around and come all the way back. Now, when you do come back, there is a dedicated left turn lane into the park before you get to the traffic. But this is beautiful, and thanks to Jim for pointing this out to me. I think it would be a gorgeous place to have as one of the flying sites for our meetup. Got a nice smell of salt air here, which is why you come to Florida. Over here, a nice covered gazebo where we can kind of headquarter if we get out here early, and just beautiful, just beautiful. A little breezy this morning, but like I said, you can usually expect to have a little breeze virtually anywhere that you go where you're near the water. It is beautiful though. Very tranquil, peaceful, and I think a great place to fly your camera drones. Beautiful landscaping, palm trees,